Daalia here, and welcome to another video on my channel. And this time it's going to be like the first video of my new cooking and baking series that I was talking about recently, that I would like to start on my channel. And today I would like to show to all of you how to make a Finnish traditional Christmas dessert, or you could say like small cakes or something like that, but it's like traditional in Finland. It's named Joulutortut, and I would like to show to all of you how to make it. And I am so super excited. You know, since I came to Finland, it's became like tradition for me too, I could say, because I am preparing it every year. I really like it. You know, I grew to like it very much, and it's like it's practically everywhere you can get it for Christmas in Finland. So yes, during the Christmas time, you know, you can even eat it at schools and you know, in preschools, everywhere. So it's like really traditional, and I hope that you will enjoy it. And I would like to show to all of you how to do it right now. So here we have ingredients. First of all, we have here like the French dough or French butter. I'm not exactly sure what is it named in English, but that's how it looks, you know, in Finland. So it's like Joulutortut taikkina. And you can get it practically in every shop. It's frozen, and then you just need to unfreeze it like I did here, you know, and we are going to prepare it very soon. We need also this kind of filling, so it's like tahtitorttu, so it's like plum jam basically. So we are going to use it like that, and our, you know, joulutortut, so this Finnish traditional dessert, it's going to look like that here on this picture. So it's going to be like shaped like a star. Of course, there is different kind of shapes as well, I've seen, and also different kind of fillings, because there is also apple gems I've seen also, so you can get an apple gem as well, and also different shapes, as I said. But I am using, you know, this traditional tahti, so star shape, because it's so like, I don't know, it's easy to make. You know, this is like a very simple and easy to make dessert, because you just need very simple and very few ingredients. As I said, you need here this French butter and this plum jam, which I am going to use. As I said, we have also apple gems that you can use, but I am using plum. Like, really, I love plums anyway. So we are going to do that, and you also need an egg white later to put it on the top before it's going to go to the oven, so it's going to get nice and brownish. You know what, I really need a camera holder, because it's so difficult to make cooking videos without it. So I asked for Christmas actually, so hopefully Santa Claus in a person of my lovely husband could give it to me. I really hope so. But yes, how are we going to make it? This is like pretty big, you know, still this piece, so we are going to cut it a half first, because we anyway need more like square shaped pieces. So I am going to cut it half. So that's how I'm going to do. Yes, and you know what, the next video with my cooking series should be definitely easier, because I definitely need to get a camera holder, so hopefully I will be having it for the next video. But you know, this is like the traditional Christmas dessert, so that's why I wanted to show it even without the holder still. So that's, I know it's going to be pretty difficult, but I'm going to do that. So I have here this almost square shape, you know, piece, and I am going to cut it here in the corners. So just like cut a little bit in the corners. So this is like one cut here, then I'm going to move it like that, then cut another corner here. So basically you need to make all four corners just like that, without cutting the middle, because that's how it should be. Because if you will cut the middle, then unfortunately you cannot shape it like the star. So that's how we are going to do that. we need to cut like that. Yes, it's extremely difficult to keep the camera and at the same time cutting. It's, oh, I really need this camera holder. Oh yes, I really need it. I really need it. I hope Santa Claus can hear me. Santa Claus can hear me. So I know what I need. I know what I need. Anyway, I'm almost done. Almost done here. So we are going to shape it that it's going to look like a star. So first of all, we are going to take this little corner here and we are going to put it into the middle. So that's how I'm going to do. Then every corner, every little corner like here are going to put in the middle. So that's how it's going to be. And the next one, let's move it around here a bit, and another corner here is to the middle like that, and the last one as well. And it's very easy, you know, you have a shape as the star. I mean, you know, it's very simple, very easy, you know. Maybe, you know what, maybe it's more like this kind of like wind stuff, you know, but yes, it's shaped like a star for, you know, in Finland. So this is how it's supposed to be. Then we are going to put a little bit of this plum jam to the middle. So I'm going to take a little bit of it here on the spoon and we are going to put it to the middle like this. Yes, it's a bit sticky, but that's okay. Then we are going to shape it nicely here, that it's looking very nice in the middle. So that's basically ready. Then we are just going to spread after a moment, you know, egg white here around, of course not on the jam, but here all around on the butter, that it's getting nice and brownish when it's going to go to the oven, and that's going to be ready. Then it's going to be baked basically like 15 to 20 minutes, or maybe 10 to 15, depends what kind of oven we have. So I'm going to place it already here. So let's place it here so it's ready for baking, and I am going to make the rest without keeping a camera in my hand because it's absolutely difficult to do, and I'm going to show you when it's nice and ready here, ready for baking. So I'll see you in a second. So that is how joulutorttu looks before they are baked, and it was really much easier to make it, you know, without holding camera at the same time. So I made it like so much faster, and now I'm going to put them to the oven right now. So for the oven, it's a temperature that is necessary, it's 225 Celsius degrees, and I'm going to put them right now here and down there. So yes, let's put it quickly there for 10 to 15 minutes. So obviously I have to observe it. So it's going to come here in the middle, maybe more down, you know. Yes, like here, so I can better observe it. So it's going to come here, and that's how it looks. And yes, for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I'm going to check it again, because don't want it to get burned, obviously. So yes, now our joulutortut are in the oven, and I am going to go back to you guys when they are ready to show you the final result, and see you after a moment. So that is how joulutorttu look when they are ready, and it's like really delicious, and you should smell it, you know, you should smell it. It's amazing, delicious smell, and it tastes so great. I really like this, you know, Christmas Finnish dessert because it's like really tasty. It's not like so much fatty or anything. It's like light, and it's like really good. And it's also really good when you add some sugar powder on it, and it looks also really nice after that, because it looks like, you know, little snow on top of it, and it's like really tasting good. Although unfortunately my family doesn't like it that way, so we just adding the sugar whoever wants. And you know, but it's really good. It's really good with the sugar as well, and it looks, as I said already, so beautiful because it looks like some nice snowy stars. So yes, that's how it is. That's what is joulutorttu. It's very simple, very easy, and very, very delicious. That's for sure. So yes, I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's like the first video in the series of my cooking and baking, and I hope that you liked it. And yes, you should definitely try joulutorttu if you would like, because it's really simple and really delicious, and I really like it. It's very, very good, and it's like Christmas. It tastes like Christmas, seriously. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you all so much for watching, and have a very, very amazing day, evening, night, wherever you are, and see you in my next videos. Love you all. Bye bye.